What are the common reasons why HBO Max isn't working, and how can I fix them?
Welcome to our quick guide on troubleshooting HBO Max. We all love the wealth of movies and series this platform provides, but sometimes we may encounter some hitches. Today, we're going to cover some of the most common reasons why HBO Max might not be working and guide you on how to fix them.
Is your internet connection stable?
First and foremost, let's talk about internet connection. Poor or unstable internet connection is one of the most common causes of streaming problems. If HBO Max isn't working, checking your connection is always a good first step. How to fix: restart your router. Sometimes a simple reset can get things back on track. Try connecting to another network or using mobile data to see if the issue is with your primary internet connection. Check your internet speed. HBO Max recommends a minimum of 5 megabits per second for streaming in HD.
Is your app or device up to date?
Another common issue is the use of an outdated HBO Max app or device. If you haven't updated your app or device in a while, it could be causing your problems. How to fix: make sure your HBO Max app is updated to the latest version. Check if your streaming device, whether it's a smart TV, gaming console, or mobile device, is running the latest software or firmware.
Are there issues with your HBO Max account?
Sometimes the problem lies with your HBO Max account. This could include payment issues or problems with your subscription. How to fix: verify that your payment method is up to date and your latest subscription fee has been paid. Log out and log back into your account to see if that resolves the issue.
Are there server issues with HBO Max?
At times, the problem is not from your end, but rather a server issue at HBO Max. These are usually rare but can cause widespread outages. How to fix: check social media or outage tracking websites to see if other users are experiencing problems. If they are, you may need to wait for HBO Max to resolve the issue. And there you have it. These are some of the most common issues you might encounter while using HBO Max and their respective solutions. Remember, most issues can be resolved with a little troubleshooting, but some may require patience as they're fixed from the provider's end. Happy streaming, and we hope you continue enjoying HBO Max.